Hi guys, NC Minecraft 101 here, and I'm going to do a tutorial on the explosives and 3 of the 7 grenades in the Voltz mod. Now the Voltz mod can be accessed by downloading the Ticket Launcher, and yeah, I am going to the left sidebar and scrolling down to the Voltz, and it will sort of look like a little plasma. So basically this mod is sort of like adds like a new, more modern stuff and stuff like that. And the thing is what I like about it is you don't have to add it into your normal Minecraft if you download the launcher, Ticket Launcher. So yeah, so I'm gonna do a first a tutorial on 3 of the explosives and 3 grenades. And there are many explosives and there are 7 grenades. Now I'm gonna start with the conventional grenade, because that is the the first 3 sort of like destroy your world. Now this does do a small amount of damage to the area around it, but it's just my computer's not processing that. I don't know why today. And so yeah, so you craft the conventional grenade by getting a piece of string and a condensed explosive. Now you get the condensed explosive when you put a piece of TNT, then a piece of redstone, then another piece of TNT, and that gives you 3 condensed explosives. So yeah, see, that's sort of the area of explosives that it does to the ground. Now the next one I'm going to show you is the shrapnel explosive. Now the shrapnel explosive basically like explodes and like flares of fire fall from the sky when you throw it. And so I'll show you that with the spawn cow. See if I can get a cow to get hit by the explosives that fall. So yeah, so I think that's gonna fall, but it takes a while to fall. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go over the crafting recipe of the shrapnel grenade. So that's 1 piece of shrapnel explosive and a string. So pretty simple, same as the last one. Then so how you did get the shrapnel explosive is arrows around a repulsive grenade, a repulsive explosive. See, that's what it does. Did you see that? And then the condensed explosive, and then 2 condensed explosives on the repulsive explosive. And you see my cow got untouched, which is unfortunate. So I'm going to kill it. Bad cow, bad cow, bad cow, bad cow. There we go. I like my meat. Okay. So next we have is an incendiary explosive, which is it's sort of a big sort of does an explosive that sort of sets everything on fire. I know, that's like really awesome. So that's if you have like a cow farm and you want to make steak instead of just normal raw beef. You just send an incendiary explosive down, and it will burn a lot of them. I think, yeah, it will. I don't know why it's not working. But so how you get the incendiary grenade is an incendiary and explosive with a piece of string, and that creates your incendiary grenade. Now the incendiary explosive is crafted with sulfur around in like a legging shape, with a repulsive explosive in the middle and a lava bucket on the bottom. And the repulsive explosive is created by 2 condensed explosive. Now the next ones I'm going to do are, well, I'm going to start with the anti-gravitational explosive, and this one happens to not really work with my computer very well. I don't know why, but it sort of does. And yeah, but basically what it does, and this is what I was I'm going to talk to you about later, but I know it looks really cool, so actually let me just go ahead and tell you about it right now. So basically this is created by the red matter explosive. It creates this big vortex that that sucks every block around it. And yeah, and you craft that by a strange matter around an antimatter explosive. Now, antimatter explosives, you have to, each antimatter has to be, you have to put 5 antimatter 200 grams to make the 1 gram. 200 milligrams, sorry. And a nuclear explosive in the middle. And yeah, so I think I'm actually being lifted up by also, this is unfortunate. But this is basically what happened. See, this is what the anti-gravitational explosive sort of does. It, you know, takes all the blocks from the ground and basically if it lifts you up and the only way to get out of it is to move yourself out of it, and usually you're so high that you die when you fall. That's why you. So then what I have is so yeah, that's the anti-gravitational. So then the nuclear explosive. Sorry, I was trying to show you that. And I was like floating. I'm like, what happened? And then your own uranium you have to find from, I believe, an ore. And to make the nuclear explosive, you need thermobraic explosives. And with the thermobraic explosives, it goes chemical, incendiary, chemical, and then the same way in each way, except there's a repulsive explosive in the middle. And you know how to. And just to remind you, actually, never mind. You should probably know. And the only way to, despawn, the big red matter explosive is using an antimatter explosive, but not having it really far away. So that's what you have to do, and sometimes it doesn't work, but when this thing does explode, if the red matter goes away, it creates such a big explosion, it really, sort of, yeah. So I don't think that's going to work right now, because it's, so, yeah, so I think I'll just try to, no, see, that's the only problem. If the explosive goes into the red matter, it does not do a single thing. See, as it really didn't do that much. It's probably not, it's good, it's a little hard to, see, it gets taken up by the red matter, and it's really hard to do that. So yeah, this is NC Minecraft 101, my first video, and I hope you liked it. Bye!